Today we will discuss about ABCD parameter in cascade network. ABCD parameter or transmission parameter are mostly used in cascaded network or in transmission line system. This parameter, that means ABCD parameter or transmission line parameter, is used in the design for radar system, telephonic system and the optical instrument system. So it is very important to know the property of ABCD parameter in cascaded network. Okay, so today we will discuss the property of ABCD parameter in cascaded network. So here I show two network. This is network NA, this is network NB. These two networks are cascaded with each other. Now this is the port 1, the input parameter I1 and V1. Here the output parameter of this cascaded network is I2 and V2. We have to relate this I1, V1 and I2, V2 in terms of the total ABCD parameter. So first of all we consider this network. Okay, so the ABCD parameter for NA network can be written as, this is input voltage, so V1A I1A is equals to the ABCD parameter, that means AA, BA, CA, DA, and this is the output, so it is V2A, this is minus I2A. This is equation number 1. So ABCD parameter of this network NA is given by this. Now this is the another network. This is NB network, two-port network. So if I take this network, then the ABCD parameter for NB network is given by, this is the input current and voltage. So input current voltage is 1V, V1B, out input current is 1B, is given by the ABCD parameter of this network NB. So it can be written as AB, BB, CB and DB, and the output voltage and current is given by V2B minus I2B. So this is the equation for this network NB. This is the two equation. Now we can relate this current and voltage. Here I have taken I1, so we can write that I1 is equals to I1A, because the direction of I1 and I1A in same. So that's why we can write that I1 is given by I1A. Here you see, this is the two current. So from this current you can write that I1B can be written as minus of I2A. This current and this current must be equal. So I minus of I2A is equals to I1B. Now this is the current, this is I2 and this is minus I2B. Both the direction in opposite, so we can write that I2 is equals to, this direction is opposite to minus of I 2b. So it is given by plus 2b. So these two current are equal because both the current in opposite direction. This is minus 2ab and this is 2. So 2 is given by minus of minus 2b, that means I 2b. So this is the relation of this current. Now we relate this voltage. This is, we have taken V1. So V1 must be equals to V1 A, and this is V2b. So V2b 2A is given by V1b. This voltage and this voltage must be equal, and this is the voltage 2VB. 2VB must be equals to V2. So this is the relation of current and voltage in this cascaded network. Now we will establish the relation of this transmission parameter and this transmission parameter. Now we taken from this is V1 and I1. So I have taken that V1 and I1, the input parameter of this cascaded network. Now V1 can be written as V1BA from this equation. So I have also written that this is V1 is given by V1A. So I can write that V1A in the position of V1. Now I1 is given by I1A 1A. So I can write 1A in the position of I1. This is the equation. Now this is the V1A, this is I1A. So from this equation we can write this. So here we can write this AA, BA, CA, DA. Okay, and this is V2A minus I2A. So I put this value V1A and I1A in this case. Next, or we can write V1 I1 is equals to, this is AA, BA, CA, DA. Now V2A, this is V2A. Okay, so V2A can be written as V1B. So from this equation we can write that V1B in the position of V2A. Now this is minus I2A. So minus I2A can be written as this I1B. So this is minus of, this is I1B. So I1B is placed in the position of minus I2A. So I put this value V2A and minus I2A from these two equations. Now, or we can write that this is V1, this is I1, and this is AA, BA, CA, DA, and I will put this value. From the equation 2 we can write that V1B, I1B is given by this. So I will put this value from this equation 2. So here it will be AB, BB, CB and DB into, this is V2B, this is minus I2B. 2b. Okay, so from this equation number 2 we put this value v1b and I1b. So next we can write that this is v1, this is I1 is equals to AA, BA, CA, DA multiply AB, BB, CB, DB, and now this is V2B and V2B is given by V2, so I can write here this is V2 and here is minus 2B, so this is I2 is given by I2B, so if I put this minus here will be minus, so you can write this minus I2 because minus I2B equals to minus I2. So this is the equation. From this equation we can say the total cascading ABCD parameter of this cascading network. So now from this equation we can write that V1 I1 can be written as A, B, C, D into V2 and minus of I2. So this is equation number suppose 3 and this is equation number 4. So this is the ABCD parameter of the total cascading network, and I have proved that the ABCD parameter of the cascading network is given by this. So if I comparing 3 and 4, we can write that say total transmission parameter of this cascading network, that means A, B, C, D, is given by the product of individual ABCD parameter of the cascading network. This is the product of the so total transmission line parameter of this cascading network is given by the product of two ABCD parameter of this two network. Okay, so this is the equation. Now you can write this in this is the multiplication formula. So in this way, so you can write this is A into A B plus B A into C B. This is 1 and this is also 1. This is A B into C A plus C B into D A, and in this way you can write here this is A B B plus B A D B, and here it will be C A B B, this is the multiplication, okay, plus D A D B. So this is A, this is A, this is B, and this is C, and this is D. Okay, so if I write the total transmission parameter, the value of A, B, C is given by, so A is given by A B plus B A C B. Okay, this is B. So B is given by A B B plus B A D B. This is C. So C is given by A B C A plus C B D A. Okay, and this is D. So D is given by CA BB plus DA DB. Okay, so this is the transmission parameter of a cascading network. So in this way you can calculate the value of A, B, C, D of a cascading network. Okay, if the parameter ABCD parameter of this network and this network are given, then using this formula you can calculate the total ABCD parameter of this cascading network. Okay, so